Jeff, we just need to get through these storms, and then we have a beautiful weekend ahead.
Yeah, it's mostly overnight here, so most of us won't have to deal with this severe weather other than to hear it come over the house. Severe weather threat's going to be mostly west of the Metroplex. That's where there's going to be some hail, some damaging winds possible, but storms should clear all of North Texas, or at least the core counties by the time we get into the morning commute. It might be last showers still in our eastern counties by daybreak, but for the most part, this is our chance of rain here in the overnight hours. You can see it, we're looking at radar. Here's Eastland and Breckenridge. You can see all this diving down towards the south, and I think that trend continues for the stronger thunderstorms. We'll watch these for the next couple of hours. They continue to produce severe weather, and they're even producing, at least in Coleman County, this is outside of our viewing area, a tornado warning. But all this activity you see stretching up to Graham, the clustering of these thunderstorms starting to come together, and that's what we think is part of the forecast for us, most of us here in the overnight hours. Now, where is the thunderstorm watch? Is only effect for another 30 minutes or so, and it is just outside of our area to our west. That's where the severe weather is going on now, and of course the highest risk there are damaging winds. Now, for us, you're going to see the rain chances pick up here through the overnight hours. This is going to be a pretty good chance of rain, and we won't see another really good chance of rain to the middle of next week when we get into June. But Futurecast shows that the rain is coming in, and then there we are at the midnight hour just past. We start seeing some thunderstorms. Could be some small hail with this, a lot of lightning, some gusty winds. But I think for most of Tarrant, Dallas County, for Denton and Collin, this is just going to be some thunderstorms. This goes on through the overnight hours with the stronger thunderstorms south, and you can see that whole line really moving off to the east as we get deeper in the overnight and towards daybreak tomorrow. Here's that 3-day forecast, and you see temperatures are going to be around 80 tomorrow, upper 80s for the weekend. But if you're wondering how June looks, since it starts this summer starts this weekend, right now June looks pretty mild, below normal temperatures and above normal precipitation, which tells me that spring storm season, it's probably going to go into parts of June as well, as we're going to be dealing with these thunderstorms, I think, for a while. You can see a 7-day forecast. We got temperatures in the 90s on Monday and Tuesday, upper 80s on Wednesday and Thursday, because that's our next big chance of rain. But as far as temperatures, really hot temperatures, I don't see it in the 10 to 12-day outlook. We're just going to have to deal with some June temperatures, and thunderstorms will take that full. You see the chances are pretty good on Wednesday at 40% and still 30% on Thursday.